If you like to delete any of the keyword in a comparison, you can select that particular keyword and say remove. Okay, so that that particular keyword will be deleted from your comparison. Okay, to add here, by selecting that keyword you can say remove also. Okay, that is the one thing. Then location wise analysis we can do. Okay, this about a location we have been selected here is a India. Okay, if you like to add some location to for a comparison, you can add here location like we say Bengaluru and Mumbai. We'll add one more location like Delhi. Okay, like this we have been added a location so that we will compare based on a location. Okay, where exactly which location has the highest clicks, highest impression. Compare, we can compare them. Okay, city wise we can compare which city has the highest click, which city has the highest impression for the whatever the keywords we have in plan, how much cost it will be in each of the city, in which city cost more, which city cost less for me, and what is the click through rate. Okay, where I will expect a more click through rate for selected keywords. Is it Bangalore, Mumbai or Delhi? Okay, and average cost, where cost will be more. Okay, in Bangalore it will be more compared to the Mumbai and Delhi. These things we can able to understand to target our ad. Okay, by while targeting we need to select a location. Okay, when you are positioning our ad, we need to select a location. At that particular time you can omit any of the location where you are getting a lower click through rate and higher CPC and highest cost and lower impression. Okay, those location you can omit and you can only focus on Mumbai and Delhi to promote your product. Okay, like this it will help you to promotion in the sense where exactly I need to promote my product based on location wise. If you are promoting, okay, what would be the cost here, it will be shown location wise. If you are promoting, what would be the cost? Okay, and what about this particular thing. Okay, if you are selecting any of the location, you can add here, or you can modify any of the location like this. You can delete that particular location. You say India, I would like to delete. I would like to add Chennai and Hyderabad. Okay, I have been added two more cities to check. Okay, where exactly we have again in Chennai and Hyderabad again average cost has been increased, and conversion wise click through rate also lower compared to these two, and cost wise it's better compared to the expenditure wise better compared to these two, so that we can target. And again your conversion has been came down and your budget also has been come down based on a location also. So like this you can check before going to create an ad. Before going to create an ad, first we have to check keyword ideas. We have to do grouped ideas you can use, or keyword ideas to select the keywords which has the highest impression and all. And then you can analyze the keyword by using a plan level, ad group level, keyword level and location wise. Once you have been analyzed, you will be having some idea now which are the cities I need to target, which are the keywords I need to select, and which ad group has to run first, which type of the ads I need to run first. Okay, and how much budget it will be to execute the entire plan, how much budget I need. Okay, these things you will be able to understand by using a keyword planner. Okay, by using a keyword planner. Once you have been done with the keyword planner, next next we will be discussing about creating a ads and all. Okay, Google Ads, creating a campaign, ads, and ad groups, ads, keyword selection, budget selection. These things will be discussed in a Google Ads section. In a Google Ads section, this is a prerequisite for your Google Ads. First we have to plan the keywords, which are the keywords are relevant for you, and which has a lowest click cost per click, and the budget you have been you will be having a fair idea about a budget and location. Everything you have a idea now. Later we will be discussing about a Google Ads. By selecting this one, we'll come back to a Google Ads and we'll start a campaign. We'll start a campaign.